Hello. Good evening, Peter. I can't hear you, Peter. Oh, okay, it's connecting to audio now. Can you try to speak, Peter? Let me see if I can hear you this time.
Peter.
Hello, Peter. Good evening. Yeah, I can hear you now. Okay. But the other account, Peter, it's still connecting to audio and the other one is on mute. Okay, wait, let me share my screen, Peter. And yeah, for today, we will have the Okay, why am I on mute? Okay, can you hear me now, Peter?
Okay.
Okay, so now let us have this one. Can you tell me what it means when we say excited?
Um, it's that is um I don't know.
Just slow down, Peter. Can you try to express your idea slowly? Okay, excited. It is a feeling. Feeling sad, Peter. What kind of feeling is it?
I don't understand.
Can you try to express yourself in English little by little?
Bạn có thể thử diễn đạt bằng tiếng Anh từng chút một được không?
Um um no.
Excited. Hmm? It's a feeling
Um
of being happy, Peter, because okay, you are looking forward to something like you're showing a lot of energy, enjoyment, and interest into something. Just like what you said yesterday, you're very excited to go on a holiday. You're excited to travel. Okay. Now, what about shy, Peter? What is shy?
um that is uh,
It
I don't know.
is. You don't really know this one, but we have talked about this one yesterday, Peter. And when we say shy, it means you are feeling uncomfortable, Peter, in social situations. Not very outgoing. Okay, you are nervous around other people, Peter. You are not confident around other people. Are you shy, Peter? Are you shy? Are you
No,
shy? No, you're
no.
not. Okay, which is good, Peter. What about what
Uh,
about awkward?
I don't know.
Okay. Now, let me try to translate it for you again, Peter. Awkward.
Vụng về,
Okay.
What is it, Peter?
Is uh um um is I don't know. I
Okay,
can say it
now.
in English. I can say
Okay,
it
you can
in
say it in English. Now, when we say awkward, Peter, it means you feel uncomfortable in a certain situation. See, last time, Peter, I told you when we say awkward, shy, and nervous, they are all related to being uncomfortable, right? Feeling uncomfortable in a certain situation. Like, for example, you are nervous because you are uncomfortable in that situation, Peter. You are shy because you are not comfortable to be surrounded by other people. You feel awkward. You feel uncomfortable. You feel like not being yourself around other people in a certain situation. Now, what about confident? Confident.
um I don't know.
Okay, now when we say confident, Peter, you feel sure of yourself, okay, and your abilities. In here, you are not shy, you are not nervous, okay, you are sure of yourself and your abilities. You are confident. Now, let us practice. So, in here, I want you to tell me which of the vocabulary items are positive and which are negative. Now, let us have uncomfortable. Peter, is it positive or negative?
Um Uncomfortable is negative.
Okay, yes, that's right. What about relaxed? Relaxed.
Relax is positive.
Mm-hmm. Comfortable, Peter.
Is positive.
What about excited?
Is uh positive.
Nervous?
Negative.
Shy?
Uh Negative.
Awkward?
Negative.
Confident?
Um Positive.
Okay, yes, very good, Peter. Now, let us proceed to exercise 3 more vocabulary. The first one, Peter, is have a coffee. Okay, have a coffee. It means you will drink a cup of coffee. Now, do you drink a coffee, Peter?
No.
Oh, no, you don't. What drink do you drink?
I drink Coca.
Coca-Cola.
Uh,
Okay, you drink soda. Soda, Peter.
no.
Okay, milk tea too, right? Milk tea, milkshake. But
Tea.
coffee, you haven't tried coffee? Even 1 spoon, Peter?
I don't understand.
You haven't tasted coffee?
Yes.
Oh, okay, Peter. Okay. Now, next one, Peter, we also have dinner. Have dinner, of course, it means you will eat your evening meal. Did you eat dinner already, Peter?
No.
Oh, not yet. What time do you usually eat dinner? What time do you eat dinner, Peter?
Uh, it's 7 7 7
O'clock?
7:30.
Oh, 7:30? Really?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Do you know what you'll eat for dinner tonight?
I don't understand.
Who cooks dinner, Peter?
My mom and my sister.
Oh, do you have a sister?
Yes.
Oh, you do? Is it younger sister or older sister?
Uh, older sister.
Oh, okay, Peter. I thought you only have a brother. Okay, next one now. We also have talk. Do you know what the word talk means, Peter? Do you know this word?
Is say.
Okay, yes, to speak to someone, just like what they are doing here. They are exchanging um information or ideas. And like what we're doing right now, we are talking to each other. Do you like talking to other people, Peter?
Yes.
Oh, yes, you do. Okay, nice. Next one. We also have a drink. Have a drink. Do you know what this means, Peter? Have a drink.
I can say it in English.
Okay. Just remember, Peter, that when we say have a drink, it means to drink something. Okay, to drink something. It could be water, juice, alcoholic beverages, Peter, or yeah, soda. Have a drink. Now, we also have go on a picnic. What is a
Um,
picnic, Peter?
um, we can we can um,
We can.
um, we can we can eat something in a picnic.
Mm-hmm. Yes, we can eat something indeed. Okay, so it means to eat a meal outdoors, Peter, not inside your house. It could be in a park or in the mountains. Okay, go on a picnic. Now we also have watch a sports game. So, watch a sports games, of course, it means you will look at a sports match like it could be soccer or basketball. If you were to watch a sports game, Peter, what sports would you watch?
Football.
Oh, it's really football. Okay. Next one, we also have laugh. Laugh.
It's like smile, but it's bigger than smile.
Mm-hmm.
Laughing.
Okay. So, yes, when we say laugh, it's more than just a smile because in here you are making a happy sound, Peter, especially when something is funny. Okay, we'll laugh. And the last one, Peter, watch a movie to look at a film, usually on TV or in a theater. Okay, so what movie do you want to watch right now, Peter?
Um, brand Spider-Man brand new day.
What, Peter? Can you say it again? What's the title of the movie?
I don't understand.
Can you tell me the title of the movie you want to watch right now?
Bạn có thể cho tôi biết tên bộ phim bạn muốn xem ngay bây giờ không?
It's Spider-Man brand new day.
Oh, okay. I haven't watched that one yet as well, Peter. Okay, but I think that's a nice movie too. Now, let us have this one. Tell me what you see in each picture, Peter. Can you tell me what are they doing?
Talk.
Yes. Can you try to answer in a complete sentence, Peter? Like, what are they doing? You would say, they are talking.
They are talking.
Okay, yes, that's right, Peter. Thank you. Now, next. Oh, wait. Why did I stop sharing? Okay, next one, Peter. What are they doing?
They are having a picnic.
Okay, they are going on a picnic. Okay, next one. What are they doing?
They are laughing.
Yes, very good. They are laughing. What about them, Peter? What are they doing?
Um, I don't know.
Okay, they are having.
Having,
Is it breakfast, Peter?
having dinner.
Okay, yes, they're having dinner, an evening meal. What about them?
Watch movie.
Okay, they are watching a movie. What about them?
Um, have a coffee.
Okay, yes, they're having a coffee. Very good. What about in here, Peter?
Watching a football match.
Okay, they're watching a sports game or a football match indeed. Now, last one. What's he doing?
He's drink have a drink.
Okay, he's Having
Yeah.
a drink.
Thank-
Yes, that's correct, Peter. Thank you, Peter. Next one now, we'll have the dialogue. So read this one with me. You will be Yanteng and you will be answering 3 questions after this. Okay, let us start now, Peter. Can you remember a first date you went on?
Um, yes, I can. I went on a date with a girl from my school named Lucy. It it was few years ago when I was in high school.
Where did you go?
We went to a cafe
Faye?
near our school.
What did you do?
We talked and had a coffee and ate some chocolate cake. We laughed a lot. We got on really well.
Did you enjoy yourself?
Yes, at the beginning, I felt really nervous. Um, but
What?
at the end, I felt more comfortable.
Did you go on a second date with her?
Yes, I did.
Okay, well, read, Peter. Thank you. Now let us check your understanding. Can you tell me where did Yen Tang and Lucy go on their first date?
Um, uh, I don't know.
Mm-hmm. Where do you think did they go, Peter?
Um, um, we went to a cafe near our school.
Okay, yes, exactly, Peter. Now, can you tell me did what did Yan Tang and Lucy do on their first date?
Um,
What did they do?
they um,
They
they drink coffee. I don't
what
know.
else, Peter? Okay, yes, but that's correct, Peter. They had the coffee, but aside from that, they did other things like they ate chocolate and they laughed a lot. Okay, so how did Yan Teng feel on his first date, on his date with Lucy? How did he feel?
It's comfortable.
Mm-hmm. Okay. He felt comfortable at the end, Peter. But how about in the beginning? At the beginning, Peter? How about at the beginning? How did he feel?
Uh, it's comfortable.
Okay, he felt really nervous. Peter, it's in here. At the beginning, he felt really nervous, but at the end, he felt more comfortable. Okay, that is it, Peter. Next one now. Let us proceed to exercise 5. Complete the sentence. Can you tell me your answer for the first one?
Can you remember and first that you go on?
Okay, thank you so much, Peter. However, in here, Peter, we are asking about something that had happened in the past already, right? Asking about something that happened in the past. Can you remember a first date you went on, Peter? Not a go on, because go is used for present tense, which doesn't match the meaning of this question. Okay, wait. Let me ask you this. Can you remember the first date you went on?
Bạn còn nhớ buổi hẹn hò đầu tiên của mình không?
Um, I
Is it
first
yes,
date,
Peter, or no?
I date with my friend.
Oh, with your friends. Okay. Now we'll talk more about that a date next meeting, Peter, so you can relax now. Thank you so much, Peter. Take care, Peter.
Goodbye, teacher.